Hey, what's up everybody, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I will show you that how to create your own landing page for affiliate marketing, right guys? So if you don't know how to create your own landing page, then guys, this video is for you, because in this video I will show you how to create your own landing page step by step, right guys? So don't worry, you are at the right place. And yes, for creating my landing page I use tool that is Clickfunnels. Yes guys, with the help of Clickfunnels I can create more professional looking landing page, and not only I can create my landing page, I can also create my own sales funnel, my webinar funnel, my membership site funnel. So guys, it's a good tool to use. Yes, if you want to use this tool, then down below there is a link so that you can go and check this tool. Yes guys, this tool comes for 14 days free trial. Yes, if you think that okay, it's a good tool, then you can continue with that. If you think it's not, then you can cancel this tool anytime, right guys? So without any delay, let us show you how you can create your landing page. So go to first Clickfunnels. So guys, you can see that I'm going to log in into my Clickfunnels account. Right, I will show you that very simple landing page that how you can create with the help of Clickfunnels, right? So guys, can you see that this is my dashboard, right? So can you see Clickfunnels? Go to funnels, click on that. Can you see that? Add new. Click on add new. So my basic purpose is to collect the email link, right? Email. So click on that, create a new funnel, collect emails, choose right here. I can say landing page for affiliate marketing, right? Then you can say landing page, right? Just give it a name, right? Then click on that, build funnel. So can you see that I have been taken to my next page? So these are the templates that I can choose, right? For example, okay, there are so many templates. It's more professional looking templates that you can choose, right? So let me choose, okay, this one, right? It's a very simple. Let me see preview. Yeah, it looks good, right? It looks good to me. Yeah, okay. So let's do this one. Now go to edit page, click on that. So guys, can you see that here I can, you can say I can change anything, right? According to me. For example, I can change the, you can say change the picture of that book, right? I can use anything that let me see if I have any. For example, that I'm promoting this one, right? Right. You can see that. So that it's very simple, 30 days. If I have a logo, then I can put that. If I don't, then just discover how to start your online business step. So I can see that it's a very simple tool that you can use. And even if no skills, that's it. So I can see that it's a very simple to that. And yes, if I want, then I can use this one, otherwise I can delete, right? So just for the time being, let's keep it very simple. I just let me delete this one, right? I can paste my picture here, right? If I want. If I don't, then yes, I can also delete this one too, right? Just keep everything very simple, guys, right? Yeah, okay, just leave that. I don't know. So guys, can you see that it's a very simple landing page that I have created, right? For example, I'm promoting any book, right? So I just fix a picture of book, right, that I'm promoting, and then here I can connect it to my autoresponder, right? So for example, I can set an action, mean to say when somebody put his name and email address, then where I want to take that very person who submitted his email address. So in that case, I have two options. I can directly redirect that person to a website, and which is my affiliate link, right? For example, just for the learning purpose, just think that this is my affiliate link, right? So what I can do, I can put my affiliate link here, right, and enter. Then where I can change it to new tab, right, and just click. That's it. So what will happen? And save. So in that case, what will happen when somebody put his name and email address and click on to sign up, right? Yes, I can change also text. Yes, I want free book now. So it's up to me, right? Oh, I can. I can change the size. I can change the color of that button from here. Can you see that here from here? Yes, I can change the color. So it's up to you, right? So save. Let's see. And this is my email address. If I click on that, can you see that this was the link that I put it there, right? So this is my affiliate link for the timing, right? So guys, so this is the first way that you can create your landing page, and you can redirect that very person to your affiliate link. And second way is that what you can do, just instead sending them that person to your affiliate link, what you can do, you can send them send that very person to your you can say thank you page, right? So in that case, I have to create my landing page. So this is my landing page, and now what I have to do, I have to create my thank you page. So guys, it's up to you, right? So I have to, so this is my thank you page here. I'm going to click on that. So same thing, that I have to choose my template from here, right? So yes, we can choose this one. Okay, let's keep this simple. Okay, let's choose this one. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it looks very simple, right? So yes, I can select. Go to edit. So guys, thanks, or I can type here congratulations. Yes, check your email. That, for example, if I'm promoting any training, right? So I can just say something like, "Hey, check your email. You can download your training or watch your training. You can watch your training." And I've sent a link here, and you can watch your training. That's it. Or here, what I can do, I can put any video, right? And just, for example, if I'm promoting any affiliate product, so here I can put you can say my video, right? For example, let me see. So you can do that, like just change the YouTube video, right? Yep, that's it. So I can change the margin here. Yeah, simple. Here I can put the URL of my video saying thank you. Hey, thank you so much for you can say for requesting your free training, right? In the meantime, if you check your inbox, then I have a very cool offer for you down below. You can tell any about your affiliate offer, right? Telling that why you need that book, that training, or whatever you are offering, right? So yes, it's a that you can use in your thank you page, right? For example, let I show that how you can create. Just for example, this is my video, right? So I will grab the link of my video, right? Just for a learning purpose, I'm showing this example, right, guys? So here I have to put the URL and enter, and that's it. Right? And save. So can you see that? Can you see that? Yes. So yes. So guys, this is how you create your thank you page as well as your landing page, right? So yes, this is your landing page that you can create. Today in this video, so guys, yes, if you have any questions, then please do let me know in the comment. I will personally help you. I will personally give answer to your questions if you have any question, right, guys? So yes, again, I will tell you, if you want to create your professional looking landing page, then yes, you can use tool that is Clickfunnels. It's a very great tool, right? And I use this tool personally right from 2 years, right? So guys, it's a very helpful tool for me, and yes, definitely it will be for you. And yes, if you need this exact same funnel, then yes, do let me know in the comment, and I will send you the links the link of this exact same funnel so that you can promote your offer, right, guys? And yes, guys, if you create your account with Clickfunnels through my link, then I will give you my personal coaching for 1 hour. So this is my bonus to you, right, guys? So once again, thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. And just don't forget to subscribe to my channel, right, guys? Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Your Clickfunnels account.